You know that feeling you get when you're just sitting around and you're like, I need something new and fresh. Well, there's always Uberwatch. Make your selection. How about the Casio A168? And I heard super new illumination. Boom. It's on its way. Ooh, boy. I'm TheCovertCrow, and thanks for watching this Uberwatch delivery and unboxing of the Casio A168. Let's take a look. Man, she got here quick. And a wow moment, today we have on the Omega Speedmaster Professional. There she is. There she is. The Casio A168. Digital timepiece. Stainless steel, plastic chrome, stainless steel case back. Very simple, but classic and beautiful design. I might have to throw it on the wrist just to get a quick look. But she is wonderful. And at the low, low price of $25. You can't even get a pack of smokes for $25 nowadays. And there she is, on the wrist. Very nice. The Casio A168. Nice digital timepiece, and I believe has the upgraded illumination. Daily chime, alarm, chronograph. What more do you need in a watch? Oh, and I forgot. It tells the time in 12-hour and 24-hour format. That's all I'm giving to you. That's the teaser for today. Do me a favor and like and subscribe and hit that bell icon because you know there's more videos coming. You know it. I know it. Everyone knows it. But if you also want to follow me on Instagram, it's right there at TheCovertCrow. There will be another video coming for a full review of the Casio A168. She's great. Need I say more? $25. Mic drop. I'm out.